Like the original InstaFlash, the InstaFlash2 has a factory-installed non-hardening sealant that forms an instant watertight seal, so you can mount without any flashing or caulking mess in almost any weather condition, including rain. What's new with InstaFlash2 is that it works for rafter attach and deck attach applications, and it doesn't require any pilot holes. InstaFlash2 works for comp shingle and rolled asphalt sloped roofs, as well as modified bitumen and built-up flat roofs. If you're installing rafter attached, use 2 screws. If you're installing deck attached, use 6 screws. To install, start by locating and marking the rafter location. Set the InstaFlash in the desired location with the arrow pointing down. Release the safety. This opens the center hole and will allow the pre-installed sealant to be distributed once you drive the screw. Drive a screw in the center hole until the InstaFlash2 seats to the roof and disperses the pre-installed sealant. If the screw hits the rafter, drive a second above it, and you're done. If you missed the rafter with the first screw, try another on either side of the mount. Once you hit a rafter, add a second screw on the same side. 2 screws are required in a rafter for rafter attach. Use all 6 screws if you're using the mount as a deck attach. Deck attach applications have reduced spans. Be sure to record any changes from the plan on the job site engineering pack and add additional mounts as needed.